and then you click on it, and it's going to redirect me. I may have to share this screen instead. Perfect. All right, so here, and then you're going to go to, these are all your different things, and we'll kind of go through this again. These are your insights, Tessa. It'll show you everything that you need, but if you want to plan, right, there's planner. You can click on that right here.
Okay.
And then this pulls up, sometimes it automatically takes you to week view. I like month view. And then what it does is it'll give you a way to plan everything for the month.
Oh, like the calendar we did with Hugo. Okay.
Exactly. And then right here, it also shows you things that are going on. So if you're not sure what to do for content, it'll give you an idea of, you know, Friday is National Donut Day. So because it's National Donut Day, you guys can go on and get some donuts and do like we're rating donuts. So maybe you go out to like 3 different donut places and you rate, you know, I give this one a 5, I give this one a 6, or I give this one a 10, right? And you can put on there and you can tag the businesses and those, and then that'll actually give you some content that's going to create engagement because the businesses are tagged in those. So it gives you ideas of things to do.